So what is AST provided for the steel? For the spacing which we have provided. So we have provided 16 torr at 180. So what is AST provided? Write in the chat box. How much is this area? Okay, 1117.02. ठीक है, 1117. So now first let us find out T dash. T dash is given by the equation tension upon B into T plus M minus 1 into AST provided. So calculate the value of T dash. Yes, what is the value of T dash? Anyone? Write in the chat box. 0.13. Yes, what about others? Same मिल रहा है 0.13. Exact same. I think here AST provided is different, right? And the rest of the values are same. So there should be slight. Okay, 0.131. So this is coming out to be 0.131. Now find out moment of inertia. So moment of inertia BD cube by 12 plus area into h square m minus 1 into AST provided into h square. ठीक है, this is the parallel axis theorem. तो यहाँ पे AST provided will change and this x will remain the same. So what is the value of I? Yes, anyone got the value of moment of inertia? Okay, 2.356 into 10 raised to 9. So we got the value of moment of inertia. Let us say 2.36. Now y is nothing but 300 by 2, 150. So now find out sigma ct is nothing but m upon I into y. So what is the value of sigma ct? $1.46. sigma ct is 1.46. Others? Okay, so now just check LHS is less than or equal to 1 or not. Okay, so this we are getting 1.46. Others are also getting the same value. Yes, what is the value of LHS? Anyone? Yes, what is the value of LHS? Point 817. Okay. Okay, so this is less than 1, so hence it is safe. Yes. So now after this, so the check is safe. You can draw the reinforcement detailing. Okay, so draw the reinforcement detailing. Show the reinforcement. Show the dimensions of the rectangular water tank. So in our case, I think the steel is the same, right? So just show the reinforcement detailing. The steel is, we have provided the same. Yes. Take down the reinforcement detailing. So how much is this now? This is how much we have provided? 16 torr
16 torque at
180. ठीक है, तो ये भी 16 torr at 180 है. Even this is, even this, even this. Okay. So if you check the LHS, ठीक है, तो पहले जो LHS का वैल्यू था उससे स्लाइटली कम आया. So our design is more safe design as compared to the PDF design. ठीक है, तो ये heavy design है, तो that is the reason the LHS it is less than 0.828. तो अपना स्टील ज्यादा है, so that is the reason it is coming out to be safe. ठीक है, why the steel is more? Because the stress we have considered it is less. 130 consider किया है, पहले क्या consider किया था? 150. So did you understand the difference? When we have considered the less stress, permissible stress less consider किया, तो डिजाइन क्या हो जाएगा? हैवी हो जाएगा, और सेफ ज्यादा सेफ हो जाएगा. Is this clear everyone? So as per the new code, they have what difference it makes? They have basically made it more safe design or heavier design. Understood? पहले क्या था? 150 for different faces, near the water face, away from the water face, the stresses values were different. But now they have, what they have done, they have kept it constant as 130 for all the faces. So in that case जो design है वो थोड़ा सा heavy है, and it is more safe. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now with this we have completed the design of water tanks, rectangular water tanks. So please complete the assignments. I have uploaded the assignments on the Moodle account, water tanks also, and retaining wall also, and staircase, and floor system, the project we have done on ETABS. Okay, so now in the next lecture we will start with the new module, that is earthquake resistant design of structures. So we have very less time remaining now. So we have to complete remaining two modules. One is earthquake and the second is pre-stress concrete.
So 25 minutes are left.
Okay. So you can, shall I give you one more question on IS code method? So you can just solve and give me the values. Okay, so because strength is also very less, so I will start the new module in the next lecture. Okay, so what I will do, I will give you one question. So just solve this by IS code method. So take down the question. A rectangular water tank, for 4.5 by 2.25 by 2.25 4.5 by 2.25 by 2.25. Okay, so this is the dimensions of the water tank. ये क्या है? Length, breadth and height. 2.25 meter size, has its walls rigidly jointed at the vertical edges. A rectangular water tank of 4.5 meter by 2.25 by 2.25 meter has its walls rigidly jointed at the vertical edges. Rigidly jointed at the vertical edges and pin jointed at horizontal edges. And pin jointed at the horizontal edges. Design the tank if it is supported on all sides. Design the tank if it is supported on all sides under the wall. Design the tank if it is supported on all sides under the wall. Use M20 concrete and mild steel reinforcement. Use M20 concrete and mild steel reinforcement. Okay, that is the question. I hope everyone has noted down the question. Yes. So in this case, the long wall is 4.5 meter and the short wall is 2.25 and the height is 2.25. So when you calculate the bending moment in the short wall, so B will become 2.25 and H will become 2.25. So that will become 1. B by H will become 1. And when you consider the long wall, so long dimension is 4.5 divided by 2.25. So that will become 2. Okay, so you can consider the table which I have given you in this question. I think this question also I have uploaded on the Moodle account. So which criteria you will consider? Okay, so इसमें in the question it is mentioned. So सबसे first you will decide what is the criteria. So in this case, so which case will this become? Okay, so it is mentioned that rigidly jointed at the vertical edges. तो जो तुम्हारे vertical walls जो है वो fixed है and it is pin jointed at their horizontal edges. मतलब जो bottom है वो pinned है. ठीक है, तो in this you will check the moment coefficients when the bottom is hinged, vertical edges are fixed and the top is free. Understood? So in this case, you will have to find out. ठीक है, तो same table you can consider